Hello, it's Andrew from Burncoose Nurseries now on this dull and damp August day. I'm anticipating sun this afternoon, and I think that will be the case, but I am grateful for a little bit of rain this morning to help the plants keep growing outside. Rain is welcome in Cornwall in the summer on occasions, especially overnight here at the nursery. Not so much welcome during the winter, especially when it starts in September and doesn't stop until the end of March. But today I'm going to share with you some hydrangeas that we've got growing at the nursery, and very nice specimens they are with this paniculata vanilla Frey, quite a nice individual paniculata type which has creamy white flowers now, and it will tinge, as you can see the tinge on the petals now, to a dark red later on in the summer and into the autumn. So quite a nice taller growing hydrangea paniculata vanilla Freys that's flowered quite nicely so far this year. And now we're moving on to a smaller type of hydrangea paniculata. So this will be suitable for anybody with a smaller town garden, or I'll go so far as say this would also go in a nice pot as long as you keep it well watered and fed throughout the growing season. And this one's called Little Lime. So you can see the lime colour here of the flower head. Again, this is also going to tinge and go to a dark pink later on in the summer. But this is a compact variety, hence the name Hydrangea paniculata Little Lime. And this will flower now from early August, well mid-July through August and into September, and you can leave the flower heads on as they dry to give you a nice little bit of autumn colour to extend the flowering season. So moving on, I've got a couple of nice specimens here of two Abutilons that we've grown ourselves at the nursery, and these have both been grown. This Abutilon canary bird here with a lovely yellow flower. This is grown by Cressy Nucky, the granddaughter of the very famous horticulturalist and plantsman David Nucky, with several gold medals to his name. And he'd be very proud of his granddaughter for producing these two beautiful specimens. And this one here is Ashford Red, from plants most probably planted by David Nucky himself in either the walled garden here at Burncoose or the walled area behind the camellia shelter, where these Abutilons grow against a wall in a very favourable situation. So two very nice specimens here that we've grown ourselves here at the nursery: Abutilon Kentish Belle and Abutilon Ashford Red. Now, it wouldn't be any surprise to you for me to bring out a mop head hydrangea, or this is a lace cap hydrangea here, also grown at our nursery. This is Hydrangea Taube. It's finished flowering. We'd pruned it before it flowered to encourage new growth for next year. And all of these growing tips that you see here now on this Taube, these will harden off now during the end of summer and autumn period. And all of these will produce nice blue flower heads next year. Now, you can see we've had quite a wet summer because there's a lot of vegetative growth on this Hydrangea Taube. And days like today, with a little bit of rain in the morning and sun in the afternoon, are very conducive to the growing of a hydrangea in a pot, because a hydrangea, as we know, does like a nice amount of water to grow in, but it doesn't like to be saturated. So we're quite pleased with these plants we've got growing here at the nursery. Three we've grown ourselves, the Abutilons and this beautiful Hydrangea Taube, and two that we've grown on to make some nice specimens for anybody that's keen on hydrangeas. We have a lovely lot of hydrangeas here presently at the nursery.